thing I noticed about this Witchy Celestial coloring book is how it just removes all of the color overwhelm. It is a monochrome edition, which means it's designed for art therapy, which you just use one pen. In the illustrations, there's moon phases, tarot symbols. They look stunning even before you touch the page. This was gifted to me, and what is clever here is the X mark the spot system. So there's just subtle markers that show you exactly where to fill in with the ink. And it just takes away all of the stress of the decision making, and it lets you enjoy the meditative rhythm of filling in all of the spaces. I love that this book includes a high-res printable PDF for unlimited reprints. So this is also a quick pro tip. If you're using markers, just place a sheet of cardstock right behind your page to prevent any bleed through. If you love a mystical aesthetic and you need to de-stress, this book is a beautiful tool.